We just heard a super loud bird chirping sound. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? My partner said it is a bellbird. Bellbird. Did you hear that? Bird chirping. This is my painting. Sebastian.
I think it's a blackbird. See, he's up here. Blackbird.
Is he having a baby here?
Well, it's spring. It's coming up spring. There he is. That loud one's a male, of course.
Sebastian.
Don't know where he is though.
Sebastian is our friend.
Sebastian.
He's a bellbird?
No, he's a blackbird.
He's a blackbird. Okay.
There he is, over there.
I think they probably are having babies here.
Well, they're working on it.
Yeah, they're working on
Because they have
it.
a nest here. They have their nest here. Where's their nest?
Oh, Bell, it is Sebastian. Did you see that? That's beautiful. They're beautiful. They're pretty
He's
beautiful.
not a blackbird though. That's another one.
I think it's a different friend.
Yeah.
And there's another bird further away.
Yeah,
there.
I saw that. See the nest up there? Can you see?
Where is it? Oh, there.
Go the other
right
side
there.
and look back. You'll see it. Okay, Clover. So that's
pretty cool,
the
isn't it?
blackbird's nest.
We don't want to move it.
They've been nesting here for about 10 years, on and off. 10 years around this area. So Sebastian's probably 5th generation or something.
She's drinking every water in there. Colby, you have the fresh water. Do you have to drink that?
Yeah, but look at it. It's lovely rainwater and it's all settled and it's nice and clean. She goes,
We prepared clean water for her, but she has to drink the dirty one.
Clivias? Clivias? See that? They're clivias. After
It's
Lord
beautiful.
Cliven or Clivia. Clivia.
It's so beautiful.
And orchids.
What's this? Is it a fruit or something?
Yeah, that's the seeds. You plant
the
them, they
seeds.
grow.
So
Yeah.
Alistair has green fingers.
See those? You just plant that back in the pot
Whatever you
and they will grow.
grow, it grows. Okay, we can't do much for the bird nest. I was wanting to see the bird nest, but I don't think so. Not good.
There's one up in there, a little one.
I think that's a bit wasps.
That's a wasp nest.
Are
Gotta
you
get rid of
trying to
that.
cheat me?
No, we've got to get rid of the wasp nest.
I washed your shoes here. Unappreciative. So you want a steak? Yee-hoo! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Again. Oh. The police ring from Taiwan. Oh! You have to let her win a little bit. She loves it. Okay, again. Be careful, okay? Cause I don't want to break your teeth. Okay, drop. Thank you. Okay. Going away. Ding 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 ding. You see her head? She's trying to. You win, okay? You won. Oh. Oh no. That's so cute. Okay, drop. Thank you. When you say thank you, she will drop. Jang. Come back. Oh-hoo! Well done, little puppy. Is it enough? One more. She can play this game for hours, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to do something else, okay? I love to share my life with you. So I have been in here around 10 years. I used to live in a city in Taiwan called Kaohsiung. And it is a pretty different life in here because it's a countryside and not many things happening. But you always can do many things like chopping wood, or you can do your own work. I spend lots of my time working because I don't have to go out to social, etc. And spending time with my lovely dog. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, see you guys. I will record a little bit more about record a little bit more of my daily life. Wait a second. How do you tell? A little dog is still looking at me. What do you want? It's a beautiful sunny day, isn't it? It's a beautiful sunny day. You want more? Oh, no, it didn't catch it. Wait a second. Okay, one more. Wow. Oh, good job. Good job. Sit. Right hand. Hey, just count down. Right hand. Good girl. Right there. Good girl. Okay, that's it.